Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can reduce background noise of your video on InShot application. Alright guys, here I have opened my InShot application on my phone and I'm going to open my draft. So I'm tapping on the video option and this is my draft. Okay, and wait for a moment guys. Alright, and if you want to reduce the background noise of your video, the first thing you're going to do is clicking on the volume button right here. But before it, I'm going to show you the original video. I'm going to play the video.
I am alone here and
This is the original video and we're going to reduce the background noise of this video. Tap on the tap on the volume button. Then tap on the denoise option. Okay, and just click on the checkmark button. Then I'm going to show you the result.
I am alone here.
And I think the sound is better. And I guess that's how we can reduce the background noise of a video on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.